Welcome back to Mitchell Makes Vids, where we spotlight stocks with massive catalysts. I'm Mitchell, and today we are covering AXSM Therapeutics, ticker AXSM, a commercial stage biopharma innovating therapies for central nervous system disorders with approved products, Auvelity for depression and Sun OC for sleep disorders fueling growth. Blockbuster news dropped today, December 31st. The FDA accepted Axsome supplemental NDA for AXS-05, that's Auvelity, granting priority review for treating Alzheimer's disease agitation with a PDUFA target date of April 30, 2026. This follows prior breakthrough therapy designation and targets a major unmet need. The market is erupting. Shares rocketed to all-time highs above 160, surging over 17% intraday on explosive volume, with analysts like Mizuho and Guggenheim raising targets beyond 200. Additionally, Axsome confirmed plans to submit an NDA for AXS-12 in narcolepsy next month, with multiple near-term catalysts. AXSM is capturing huge momentum. Approval upside or more to run? Share your thoughts below. Buy the surge, hold, or caution. Like for more biotech alerts, subscribe and hit the bell. Thanks for watching. See you next time on Mitchell Makes Vids. Now guys, check the links in the video description below. Make some cash. Become a member of my YouTube channel today. I would love you so much. And everybody, I will see you in the next year, 2026. Happy New Year. Have a great day. I love you all so much. See you soon.